What's going down? We got another episode of the Smoke Show coming at ya. So today we are doing Wagyu meatballs, stuffed meatballs on the direct heat chud box. I'm excited for this one. I haven't done this yet. I mean, I've been killing the meatloaf game with the chud box. So today I'm gonna do some mozzarella Wagyu beef direct heat meatballs. So I'm stoked. I did 2 pounds of Wagyu beef, 1 pound of ground pork. Pop in the little mozzarella ball, and we're gonna go fire up the pit and smoke these bad boys up. Alright, just threw the fresh marinara on. We got 4 whole tomatoes, a half of onion. I did the yellow sweet onion. Some garlic, fresh garlic, Italian seasoning, and some Greek olive oil in the cast iron. Check that bad boy out right there. All fresh, no preservatives. Alright, we got the stuffed Wagyu mozzarella stuffed meatballs ready to go on the pit. We're gonna do some bomb sandwiches today. The marinara's going. We'll pop these bad boys on and let them do what they do. You know what we're gonna do with this? We're gonna pop that bad boy right down in the bottom because it's not hot enough up here for it. This thing is rocking and rolling. Let me show you what the marinara is looking like real quick. So I got my chud box. I got a charcoal holder. Helps me out. Shout out to my boy Dustin for building that for me. Got some direct heat drippings in there. Looking good, looking good. I'm about to pull some of these, because I feel like some of them are done and they're just gonna leak the cheese if not. We ain't trying to lose no cheese. Just pulled the meatballs off. As you can see, they are oozing and juicy. Let's get these inside and get them on some buns, man. Let's go on one more. That was a badass meatball sandwich right there. Thanks for watching. That's episode 1, season 2 of the Smoke Show. Go check out the website, smokegamestrong.com. We got the shirts, the hats, swag. We got hoodies coming soon. It's hoodie season. Until next time. Peace.